Dreaming of smooth, flawless skin but don't want to spend a fortune at the salon? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to achieve the perfect Brazilian waxing right in the comfort of your home. It's easier than you think. Just stick around until the end for some pro tips to avoid common mistakes. First things first, let's talk about why waxing at home is worth it. Not only does it save time and money, but you also have complete control over the process. That means no awkward moments and no rushed appointments. Plus, with the right technique, you can achieve salon-quality results on your own. Before we dive in, here's everything you'll need for a successful Brazilian wax at home. A high-quality wax kit, preferably hard wax for sensitive areas. Pre-wax oil to protect your skin. Post-wax lotion to soothe and moisturize. A mirror for better visibility. Trust me, this will save you. And finally, a clean, comfortable setup. Preparation is key to a smooth waxing experience. Start by exfoliating the area 24 hours in advance. This helps remove dead skin cells and reduces the chances of ingrown hairs. Right before waxing, clean the skin with a gentle cleanser and apply a light layer of pre-wax oil. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Step-by-step instructions for the perfect Brazilian wax. Step 1. Heat your wax until it's the consistency of honey. Test the temperature on your wrist to avoid burns. Step 2. Apply a small amount of wax in the direction of hair growth using the applicator stick. Work in small sections for better precision. Step 3. Wait a few seconds until the wax sets, but is still pliable. Then, hold the skin taut and remove the wax strip in the opposite direction of hair growth with a quick motion. Pro tip: don't hesitate. A confident pull ensures less pain and cleaner results. Once you've finished, it's time for post-wax care. Clean off any residue with a gentle cleanser and apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel. Avoid tight clothing, hot showers, and strenuous activities for the next 24 hours to prevent irritation. Here are some mistakes to steer clear of. Waxing over the same area multiple times. This can damage your skin. Using wax that's too hot or too cold. Always test it first. Skipping aftercare, don't. Your skin will thank you. And there you have it. Your ultimate guide to Brazilian waxing at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more beauty and health tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.